पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी के चेयरमैन बिलावल भुट्टो जरदारी ने कहा है कि सिर्फ तालीम याफ्ता कौम ही आगे बढ़ सकती है। तालीम के शोबे में बेहतरी के लिए हुकूमत सिंध ने बजट में 161 अरब रुपए तालीम के लिए रखे हैं। चेयरमैन पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी बिलावल भुट्टो जरदारी ने सिंध मदरसतुल इस्लाम का दौरा किया और यूनिवर्सिटी के मुख्तलिफ हिस्सों का जायजा लिया। इस मौके पर तलबा से खिताब करते हुए बिलावल भुट्टो ने कहा,
Madrasatul Islam. This is the institution that educated some of the most renowned soldiers, dedicated educationalists, fine jurists and visionary leaders who went on to change the course of history of this nation and its people. And not only that, but change the very map of the world. For the Quaid-e-Azam, Muhammad Ali Jinnah himself studied at this campus, in addition to other luminaries, including Sir Abdullah Haroon, Sir Ghulam Hussain Hidayatullah, Khan Bahadur Muhammad Ayub Khoro, and Sheikh Abdul Majid Sindhi, just to name a few. Today, as I stand here at the threshold of one of the oldest institutions of modern knowledge in the subcontinent, I am both humbled and filled with pride. I take pride in the fact that I am a descendant of Khan Bahadur Hassan Ali Effendi.
पाकिस्तान पीपल्स पार्टी के चेयरमैन बिलावल भुट्टो जरदारी ने मजीद कहा,
Anywhere in the world, while simultaneously retaining pride in its own history and culture. I would like to applaud the efforts of the Vice Chancellor, Dr. Muhammad Ali Sheikh, for creating a learning environment conducive to the growth and development of its students. The teachers for providing an opportunity to share their knowledge and experiences with our future generations. And the students themselves, dedicated to honing their minds and practical skills, which will serve to bring Pakistan at par with other developed and modern nations. Today, the role of the educator is more important than any other time in Pakistan's history. As we fight against an extremist mindset within and outside our borders, it is up to our teachers to imbue into their students the true ideals of tolerance.
Lotus Lake Towers, a groundbreaking endeavor by Lotus Properties. मुल्की, बैनुल-अक़वामी, समाजी, सियासी, तिजारती, सकाफती, तफरीही, मालूमाती और खेलों से जुड़ी हर छोटी बड़ी खबर का मरकज TNN TV।